Did you know the most famous art theft in history was solved by a janitor's lunch break? In 1990, two men dressed as police officers walked into the Gardner Museum in Boston. They told the night guards there was a disturbance call. The guards let them in without checking their badges. Big mistake. These fake cops tied up the guards and spent 83 minutes stealing 13 priceless artworks worth $500 million. They took paintings by famous artists and even cut some right out of their frames. The thieves knew exactly what they wanted and where to find it. This wasn't random. Someone had given them inside information about the museum's weak security. The FBI has been hunting these criminals for over 30 years. They've followed thousands of leads across the globe. The stolen art has never been found. The empty frames still hang on the museum walls today, as a reminder. The museum offers $10 million for information leading to the art's return, but so far, this perfect crime remains unsolved.